In a world filled with unpredictability and challenges, the journey of rebuilding oneself can often seem daunting. This video, Rebuilding Yourself, Philosophy's Guide to Overcoming Life's Toughest Challenges, is designed to be your compass through the journey of personal growth and development. It's not just a guide, it's a companion in your quest to find strength, wisdom, and resilience in the face of life's adversities. Philosophy at its core is the love of wisdom. It's not just an academic discipline, but a practical tool that helps us navigate the complexities of life. By engaging with philosophical ideas, we equip ourselves with a deeper understanding of who we are, what we value, and how we can face the challenges that life throws at us. This video will delve into various philosophical teachings from ancient wisdom to modern thought, each offering unique insights into personal growth and resilience. One such philosophy we will explore is Stoicism. Stoicism, founded in ancient Greece, teaches the importance of focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we can't. It's a philosophy that empowers us to maintain our inner peace and resilience, even in turbulent times. Another significant philosophy is existentialism, a modern philosophical movement that emphasizes individual freedom and choice. It encourages us to find our unique path and meaning in life, even amidst life's inherent absurdities and uncertainties. Eastern philosophies, including teachings from Buddhism and Taoism, emphasize harmony, balance, and the interconnectedness of all things. These philosophies guide us in finding peace and contentment in our lives, teaching us how to live in harmony with ourselves and the world around us. Each of these philosophies offer valuable lessons for rebuilding ourselves and overcoming life's toughest challenges. As we explore them, we will provide simple, clear explanations to make these ideas accessible to your life. As we venture into the heart of this guide, we'll explore these foundational philosophies in more depth. We'll see how the principles of Stoicism, existentialism, and Eastern philosophies can be applied to our daily lives, providing us with the tools to face adversity, grow personally, and find deeper meaning and satisfaction in our journey. Stoicism is more than just an ancient philosophy. It's a toolkit for modern resilience. It teaches us to distinguish what is within our control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, and what lies beyond it, such as external events or the actions of others. Imagine you're facing a stressful work situation. A Stoic approach involves responding thoughtfully, focusing on what you can control, like your effort and attitude, rather than reacting emotionally to things beyond your control, like a colleague's behavior or a project's complexity. Incorporate a daily habit of reflecting on your actions and decisions. Ask yourself, did I act in alignment with my values today? This practice fosters self-awareness and personal growth, key tenets of Stoicism. Existentialism empowers us with the idea that life's meaning isn't predetermined, but is something we actively create through our choices and actions. When making decisions, big or small, existentialism teaches us to ask, is this choice reflective of my true self and values? This encourages living a life that is authentically yours, not one shaped by external expectations. Life often presents situations that seem absurd or contradictory. Existentialism helps us find humor and acceptance in these moments, encouraging us to navigate life's unpredictability with grace and personal integrity. Eastern philosophies like Buddhism and Taoism guide us towards a life of balance, interconnectedness, and mindfulness. Integrate mindfulness into daily activities such as eating or walking, Pay attention to your senses and be fully present. This practice enhances the quality of everyday experiences and fosters a deeper connection with the world around you. Eastern philosophies teach the importance of balance, whether in work, relationships, or personal health. Regularly assess various aspects of your life to ensure you're not neglecting any key area, striving for a harmonious existence. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and hardships. It's not about avoiding challenges, but learning how to navigate them effectively. When faced with a setback, try to view it as a learning opportunity rather than a failure. This shift in perspective, inspired by Stoicism, can transform challenges into valuable experiences that contribute to personal growth. Regularly engage in activities that help build emotional strength, like journaling, meditation, or talking to a trusted friend. These practices help in developing a resilient mindset, essential for overcoming life's hurdles. Our mindset significantly influences how we perceive and react to life's obstacles. A growth mindset, the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed, is crucial in overcoming adversity. Approach every situation with the mindset of a learner. Whether it's a success or a failure, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This approach, rooted in existentialist and Eastern philosophy, encourages constant personal development. Instead of seeing a difficult situation as an insurmountable problem, reframe it as a challenge to be overcome. This reframing can shift your focus from feeling overwhelmed to finding proactive solutions. Embark on a journey of self-exploration is about understanding ourselves more deeply, our desires, fears, strengths, and weaknesses. Regularly ask yourself introspective questions like, what truly makes me happy? Or what are my deepest fears? This practice, inspired by Socratic self-examination, can lead to a profound personal insight and clarity. Find time for solitude, an essential aspect of Eastern philosophies. Use these moments to reflect, meditate, or simply be with your thoughts. This can be a powerful tool for self-discovery and inner peace. Life is our greatest teacher. Every experience, whether positive or negative, holds valuable lessons. Keep a journal to record your experiences and reflections. This habit, encouraged by existentialist thinkers, can help you process experiences and extract meaningful lessons from them. Don't shy away from seeking feedback, rather from mentors, friends, or colleagues. Constructive feedback provides new perspectives and is an invaluable resource for personal growth and improvement. Bringing philosophical concepts into daily life can transform our approach to various situations, from handling stress to making decisions. Before making a decision, pause and reflect. Is this within my control? Am I acting in line with my virtues? This Stoic practice helps in making decisions that are both wise and aligned with your core values. Practice mindfulness in routine activities, eating, walking, or even in conversation. This focus on the present moment, a key aspect of Eastern philosophies, can significantly enhance the quality of everyday experiences. Real-life examples and case studies can provide clear illustrations of how these philosophies can be applied effectively. Explore stories of historical figures who exemplified philosophical teaching in their lives. For instance, Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor, embodied Stoic principles, showing how one can maintain virtue and composure in the face of immense pressure and responsibility. Look at modern examples where individuals have carved their own paths, defining personal success in their unique terms. These stories demonstrate existentialism in action, showcasing the power of personal choice and authentic living. Strong relationships are built on a foundation of empathy and understanding, principles that are deeply rooted in various philosophical teachings. Embrace the Socratic method of active listening and conversations. This involves genuinely focusing on the speaker, asking thoughtful questions, and showing empathy, leading to a deeper and more meaningful connection. In times of conflict, adopt the Stoic approach. By remaining calm and focusing on what you can control, your reactions and words, this helps in maintaining harmony and finding constructive solutions. Effective communication is key to building and maintaining strong relationships. Philosophy offers valuable insights into communicating with clarity and compassion. Existentialism values authenticity and personal integrity. Practice this in communication by being clear and honest about your feelings and intentions, fostering trust and openness in relationships. Eastern philosophies teach mindfulness and intentionality. Apply this to your communication by being mindful of your words, ensuring they are kind and thoughtful, to avoid misunderstandings and nurture positive interactions. Uncertainty is a fundamental part of life. Philosophical teachings provide us with tools to navigate the uncertainty with more confidence and less fear. Stoicism teaches us to accept things that we cannot change. When facing uncertainty, remind yourself to focus on your reaction to the situation, not the situation itself. This acceptance reduces anxiety and allows for more rational decision making. Existentialism champions personal freedom and responsibility. It encourages us to make choices, even in uncertain situations, embracing the unknown as an opportunity for personal growth and self discovery. Change is constant, and our ability to adapt to it is crucial for personal development. Philosophy offers insights into embracing change positively. Approach change with a growth mindset, viewing it as an opportunity to learn and evolve. This mindset, influenced by modern philosophical thought, helps us to see change as a path to personal improvement rather than a threat. Eastern philosophies like Taoism emphasize the flow and balance of life. When undergoing change, strive to find balance in your life, harmonizing new experiences and establish routines to maintain inner peace and resilience. Happiness has been a central topic in philosophy, with various schools of thought offering insights into its attainment. Stoicism teaches that true happiness comes from within and is not dependent on external factors. Practice finding contentment in simple pleasures and daily routines, focusing on gratitude and inner peace. Existentialism focuses that happiness is found in living authentically. Regularly assessing your life choices align with your true self. Happiness in this view stems from personal authenticity and self-fulfillment. A balanced life is the key to sustained happiness and contentment. Philosophical teachings provide guidance on maintaining this balance. Incorporate practices from Eastern philosophies like mindfulness and meditation to achieve balance in your life. These practices help maintain a calm and centered state of mind, conducive to overall well-being. Regularly evaluate the different areas of your life: work, relationships, personal growth, leisure, to ensure you're not overemphasizing one at the expense of others. This holistic approach, drawn from various philosophical traditions, fosters a more balanced and fulfilling life. The concept of legacy in philosophy often revolves around the impact one leaves on the world and on others. Stoicism encourages living a life of virtue and contributing positively to society. Reflect on how your daily actions and decisions contribute to the greater good. Even small acts of kindness can be a part of a meaningful legacy. Existentialism highlights the importance of living authentically. Consider how your unique talents and passions can be used to create a lasting positive impact in your community or field, staying true to your authentic self. Philosophies often emphasize the value of service. Eastern philosophies like Buddhism place great importance on compassion and selfless service. Look for opportunities to help others in your community, rather through volunteering, mentorship, or simple acts of kindness. Use your interactions with others to leave a positive impact. This could mean offering support, sharing knowledge, or simply being present and attentive in your conversations. Meaningful connections can be a powerful legacy. As we conclude our journey through rebuilding yourself, Philosophy's Guide to Overcoming Life's Toughest Challenges, let's reflect on the key lessons and philosophies that can guide you in your personal development and resilience. Here is a recap of key philosophical lessons. Stoicism emphasis on control. Remember, focus on what is within your control and let go of what isn't. Existentialism and personal meaning. You have the power to define your life's meaning through your actions and your choices. Eastern philosophies on harmony. Striving for balance and mindfulness in your daily life. We explore practical strategies for overcoming adversity, building stronger relationships, facing fear and uncertainty, and finding happiness and contentment. Each philosophy offered unique insights and actionable lessons to apply in various aspects of your life. As you move forward, I encourage you to embrace these teachings in your everyday life. Reflect on the lessons shared, experiment with the strategies, and observe how they influence your personal growth and well-being. Make a commitment to lifelong learning and self-discovery. Keep exploring philosophical ideas and integrating them into your life. Your journey of rebuilding and growth is ongoing, and every day brings new opportunities to learn and improve. Share your insights and experiences with others, rather through conversations, community involvement, or personal example. You have the power to positively influence those around you. Let your journey inspire others as well.